Okay, I was doing a live broadcast, but I had to switch to video because it's I lost the signal. So I just turned off. I just came up Highway 18. I'm gonna have to get over, lady. Jesus Christ, get over. You can tell people who can't drive very well. They can't do narrow. They freak out and they want to stay 5 feet away from the wall. But that doesn't work. You got to be able to get over. But I made a right at the intersection there at Crestline. That's where I lost the feed, right when I came into town there at Crestline. So there's vehicles going through here, so I'm going to follow it. I don't know if you want to stand there on a blind corner. You're going to get run over. Of course, that's the only way to get around. I was walking, but I wouldn't stop on a blind corner because, yeah, it's narrow up in here. They've got just a little, they got both lanes plowed most of it, but it necks down some places. Well, here comes Edison. Yeah, that guy's got a side-by-side right there, and there's Edison coming down from up there. I've run into Edison a couple times where they're working on the poles, the electrical. Yeah, this is getting awful damn narrow up here. I may want to go back because if I meet another truck, I am screwed. I forget what road this is. This is 189. I forget what this is. Yeah, I think I'm going to turn around because if I meet, well, there's a car in front of me. There's cars. It's kind of a one-way deal. I hate to back down. That's what and I can fold my mirrors in. Yeah, this may be a little icy even right here. Is that a squirrel? Sure is. Mr. Squirrel. Hey, get out of the road. Mr. Squirrel made a good leap. I should have had my... Could almost make this a flagman deal, you know, let some through and then let the other side through because, man, this is tight. Oh, this poor guy. I saw a pickup that had his fender bashed in. I hope he didn't get hit, you know. Oh, this is what I was worried about. You got room, guy. You're a little skinny car. Pull up my mapping up here. So, okay, there's an address here. When I was telling them about gets just fluorescent paint. They're painting addresses on the snow, so they know the address, or if they need help, they're marking where vehicles are, so the snowplow doesn't hit them. That vehicles that are buried. Yeah, add some flow paint to your disaster preparedness. But somebody asked why. Oh, I thought it was an avalanche. I saw there's a guy up there working. He's clearing a road. Let me get by here before he does it again. They were asking how I was up here since I wasn't a resident, but I've got a media credential. This is one of the things I'm trying to help people that want to come up, even the residents. They don't know what it looks like. There's that map that San Bernardino County's put up, that GIS interactive map. That's really accurate from what people are telling me. I'm going to let these guys go. They're kind of necks down right here. Yeah, there's a lot of... In fact, I'll get my other phone going where... Hey, hold on, guy. We're going to have to... Oh, that guy almost went into the... Yeah, see the guy... These... Come on, guy. You did. Well, I don't know how long this train is, but right here is where it gets real narrow. up here when I can, but I'm not going to get into an accident because it's too narrow. I just wait it out. I believe this goes over to, I'm trying to think of what, where this pops out at over here. Arrowhead. And see some of these berms, that looks like it maybe collapsed right there. Or, thank God they're not collapsing like they were over there on Jinx Lake. It was like collapses everywhere with a berm. Then it would make it a one lane or block the. There was some areas it blocked the whole road, or it collapsed on Jinx Lake yesterday. Camp de Benneville, when I turned in there, it was just about blocked the entrance. But then that road, I was able to make it in. Then the road grader came and cleared it. I had to bust through a little berm, but nothing big. I'm trying to see where this road comes in. I want to say Arrowhead. What's west of Arrowhead? And there's a road coming up, a right turn, but I can't tell. Yeah, if you're a resident, you want to come up, it's going to be tight everywhere. Edison's still working up here. There's a road there, but I want to stay on the main drag. I'm not sure where that goes. I'm trying to see what road I'm on. I should fold my mirror in. Good way to lose a mirror. Forestry guy. Or no, fire, yeah, fire. There's a little house there. Oh, look at a lot of, looks like they were cut or they broke off, these branches. A lot of pine tree debris right here. I can't tell if they were, I see where there saw marks, cut marks on them. But I wonder if that was after where they cleared the road. It looks like they probably fell in the blizzard. Yeah, it looks like we're, oh shoot, this is gonna get tight. We're coming back around to the Highway 18. So this is good. I think we're coming around to 18. Looking at my mapping. Over there. And just take it easy if you're up here. Just, you know, it's not a normal day. You can't drive like it's normal. The berms are will collapse on a corner, or you know, get narrows down like this. See, I don't have a full lane. See all the melting. That's what the one thing they're worried about is the flooding. Somebody was saying in '69. The flooding that happened in Redlands downtown was all the snow melt coming down. Oh man, I thought we were coming back to the rim of the world. This appears to be the main drag. I think now we're going to come back to. Oh, here's the street sign. I can tell you, Crest Forest. Yeah, that's right, the main drag. Now see how narrow he is. You don't even have a lane. This is one lane way right here. You just gotta take it slow and take turns. You just can't go barreling through these. Whoa! Hopefully nobody comes. Take it slow. Yeah, there's a tree down there, a big tree. I wonder if it hit that truck. That Frontier truck. And there's a big tree. A lot of trees down right here. Thank you, guy. Yeah, it gets really one lane right here, the end of Crest Forest, coming down. I believe we're coming down. I don't remember. Yeah, the Hortensias, the old cliffhanger. In fact, I want to pull in there, or can I pull in there? looks like they're keeping that blocked. And over by Hortensia's, they're only letting you gotta go Crest Forest. Wait at the Caltrans guy. Okay, I want to pull over here and I want to see if I can go live. I'll pick this video up in a minute here.